Welcome to Gerry's.
Chris, Oxtail gravy. If you don't get curried, they want Oxtail gravy and curried. Everybody want Oxtail gravy.
Yes. Wagwan. Welcome back to Kelvin and Friends Cook Up today. We're in Toronto. We're here to visit Gerry's fast food restaurant. And guys, we're gonna bring it in the kitchen and we're gonna show you some of those amazing food that they're preparing, that they're catering. Alright, so just follow me. Yes guys, so as you can see, we bring you in the kitchen and show you guys what they're cooking, what they're preparing. You know, they've been here from early in the morning preparing the food. So right now I'm just to show you some of the delicious food that they have here, you know, cooking and putting out to serve. Yeah. So you say about this now, it's almost ready.
Yeah, no cooking the way side, you know.
Okay.
You know,
Guys, look at that. Look at that. You know how if you come down here and you don't eat meat, you can get your vegetables same way. Look at that. You get some what? Bell pepper, sweet pepper, cabbage. What you have in there? Tell me what you have in
you
there.
have cabbage,
Yes.
you have carrot,
Yes.
you have sweet pepper, onion, garlic. So these things, you know, just make it come
Go and steam down for a
steam,
minute.
you know. And you can get the
Nice. Look at that. Guys. You don't know it. It's very colorful. Look at that. Guys. And you know, chef bowl in the kitchen, right?
yeah.
So I have our rice and peas right as well. You know?
Okay.
Onion and with coconut and with peas. You know?
Yes.
Coconut, thyme.
Yeah.
You know? So we just cook it up a little bit, the onion cook it a bit, and then we're going to put in the rice after it.
Okay.
And then you can see the finished product. You know, in a little while, you know?
Yes.
Come on. Chef bowl over there, so I wash the rice over there. So. We do that. Alright?
Yeah, man.
So, you know, all rice again, you know.
Okay. Look at that, guys. Yeah, man.
Rice well washed too, you know.
Well washed. Yes. You have to wash your rice, man.
Yeah, man, you know, let's come straight, you know, let's come straight into the pot, so, you know.
Yeah, you have to wash your rice. Look at that, guys. Rice and peas. Yeah, man. See? Just like that, you know?
Just like that, you know. And we'll give them a little stir, you know.
Yeah. They make sure so the peas just mix up with the rice and
Make sure everything mixed up together. You know?
Yes. Look at
that. Nice and rich, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so
you have all the onion and the thyme and all those seasoning, coconut milk and everything.
So we'll just make this boil up a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we turn it more after it.
Alright,
You know?
yeah.
So today we have red pea soup, you know. Most of the time we always have with the chicken soup or beef soup throughout the week, but then towards the week we have red peas or some gungo.
Yes.
More often than that is red peas, you know.
Yes.
But once in a while we throw in a little gungo soup inside.
Okay.
You know. We don't do fish tea this long time, but you know, once in a while we do little fish tea. This yam, potato, dumpling, salt beef, you know.
Nice.
Come on. So, you know.
Look at that, guys. This is their red pea soup.
Yeah, man.
And look how rich it is. And you know, you can get the dumpling as what I'm saying, and all the salt beef.
Dumpling, man. You know?
Yes. Some spinach too, eh?
Spinach, man. Spinach, man.
Yes, guys. Look at that.
Spinach there? Where the spinach are running from it? Spinach there?
Yes. Yeah, man. Look at that.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
So we have our rice and peas here, huh?
Yes.
Man, so it's a finished product, that's right.
What? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So make it go and steam down.
A little bit more, you know, and then it's ready for going at the steam table, you know. So I steam a little bit more.
Yes. That's where I cut up here now.
prepare some escovitch, you know.
Okay.
Have some fish there where we get the order, some escovitch fish.
Yes.
So let's prepare the carrot and the onion and the. You know, when you have the escovitch, you have the scotchy in it, right? Some hot scotchy, so some scotchy ready in it, so, you know?
Yeah. So usually when you do this, like a 1 or 2 scotch bonnet pepper, or just how? It all depends on how much
depends on the
fish.
quantity. Like this now, I don't think we take out 2, but I don't think we ever need to, because, you know, it's not a big order.
Yeah.
So, you know, I make it too hot too, you know?
Okay. Look at that, guys.
It's a small order, so so we'll add some vinegar to it. You know?
Okay. So what the vinegar do?
Vinegar does tenderize everything.
Yes.
You know? You need it. Yeah, make escovitch with vinegar.
Yes.
Don't want the escovitch on top of the fish. Some people say make it too soggy, so we want it separate. So we actually give the escovitch separate, so you can put it on to the fish as him see fit, you know.
Yes.
So that's our escovitch.
Yeah, man.
Sometimes we put sweet pepper in it, but you know, this
Put
one,
sweet pepper.
Yeah. No, but you know, this time none of that. Yeah, man.
Yes.
Ready to go, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
So we have the fish for the man,
Yes.
for the order. But him don't want female escovitch go on it, so we'll give to him on the side.
On the side.
Yeah, man.
What kind of fish you have
It's a
here?
kingfish right there, sir.
Kingfish?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can get kingfish or a snapper.
Yeah.
Yes, so we have our jerk chicken here now.
Mm-hmm.
You know, just get ready for go outside and the steam table.
Yes.
You know, so
Look at that, guys.
yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so, you know,
Just came out the oven too, you know.
yeah, man.
Yeah. Ready to serve.
Yeah, man. Ready
Look,
to serve.
look at that, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. What we have here, so now?
We have jerk pork.
Jerk pork.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Jerk pork, you know.
Yeah.
Boneless jerk pork, no bone in it.
No bone.
Yeah, man. With the debone it, you know.
Yes. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
This dish enough for the dread, you know.
This is enough for you,
No,
dread.
it's
Then.
enough for the dread.
This is enough for you, ball head.
Although me have a dread that come inside this all the time, and they say, don't worry about me, man. Me's a pork dread. Yeah, man. So we have our stew chicken I prepare for go outside, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Look at that. Ready to go out.
Ready for go, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So we're preparing our oxtail to go outside, you know.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. Gosh, you can see steam just coming off that. Look at that. Man. And you see, when you're cooking your oxtail, as I said before, you have to have your gravy, because you know a lot of people request their oxtail gravy, you know.
Yeah, whether them want jerk chicken or them want, as we say, even sometimes man want curry goat, them want oxtail gravy.
Yes. That's how they love the oxtail.
Yeah, man.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Nice.
Yeah, so you know,
Yeah.
we're ready for hot goat. So now we're doing our curry goat.
Yes.
No? So
Look at that, guys. Very good. Look rich now. You guys can smell the flip. Oh gosh, look there.
yeah, man.
See, all of these food, they've been here from early in the morning cooking, so we didn't really get much of the part where they were cooking the oxtail and the curry goat.
Yeah, man. We start cook early in the morning, man, you know.
We start cook early in the morning.
The mother start cook already, not even rooster on them underpants set, you know.
Them down there.
So I do look a cool size, huh?
Yes. So what you have here? You just have your cabbage.
There's a cabbage and your carrot and our little secret business we're putting in, you know?
Yes, yes. Nice.
My daughter call it crack slaw, you know? No
Crack slaw.
crack slaw.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Nice.
And you get this as an option with your food.
Yes.
You know, you get your curry goat, your rice and peas or whatever, and you get either this or you get the steamed vegetable.
Steamed vegetables.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Alright?
Look at that, guys. Yeah, man. Look at that, guys. Look.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You can see your bell pepper, which is the sweet pepper, and your carrots. You get your onion, you get your cabbage.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Healthy stuff, you know?
It's nothing but healthy stuff, man.
Yeah, man.
Nothing but greatness. Look at that. Yes, guys. Huh? Yes. So, what? It's served and ready to go out there?
Yeah,
and
man.
then-
It's ready for going at the steam table right now.
Okay.
You know?
Nice.
Yeah, what you going to do?
Alright guys, so right now, you know I'm at Gerry's, and as I show you how they prepare the food, how they cook the food, and you know say, once me in the kitchen, you know I have to try the food. I tell you guys how it tastes. Yes. Alright. Look at this, guys. Yes. This is the curry goat right here. Look at that. One. And then you have the oxtail right here. And you have the jerk chicken right there, and rice and peas right there, and you don't know you have some veg right here. So you know, so you just have a little bit of everything, and you know I have to sample it to let you guys know how it tastes. Yeah, man. And first thing first, you know me love my curry goat, so I'm gonna have to try the curry goat first, right? See, very meaty. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Tastes good, guys. Flavor there, flavor nice, good. See, you even get the Irish too. Look at that, guys. Yep. Tastes nice, flavor. Up, yeah man, up. Look, see, smoke come off of it, you know, say fresh. Try some of the rice. Look at that, guys. Yeah man, well shelly. Nice. The coconut milk. Yep. Real good, guys. See there. Now I'm gonna try the oxtail. See there. Look at that meat, guys. So one thing, you know, when you order your oxtail and you go to, you know, short of meat, you know, get this bone. Look at that, guys. Fall off the bone. Yep. Yes, guys. Get some rice with that too. Come on. The flavor, whether I say up, tastes real good. See, jerk chicken, well moist, not dry. Look, nice. Come on, jerk chicken tastes good. Flavor, everything good. Tastes real good, guys. Try some of the veg, you know? Yeah. Come on. It's awful nice. Look at that. Yeah, man. As I'm saying, one thing with the goat, it don't short of no meat, or look at it. Gosh. Yeah. So you see, eat some rice. So yes guys, right now I'll go and enjoy the food. I will check in back in a bit. Yeah.
Yes. When you come to Gerry's, right, our two top sellers is the curry goat and the jerk chicken. So these consistently outsell the other thing. These are our two top sellers. So if you come and you don't know what to try, you can try one of those because those are always, you know, good sellers.
Yes, the jerk chicken and the
jerk
curry
chicken and the curry goat. Yeah man, are the two top sellers in there. You know? Yeah man.
Alright guys, so right here I'm with Donovan, and you don't know him as a baker. Yes, Donovan, you know you as a baker?
Baker, bottle washer, you know, everything, you know. Little bit of everything.
Little bit of everything.
Yeah man.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that he's bake and what I'm gonna bake. Alright.
Well, yeah, this is like sweet, we have some sweet potato pudding.
Yeah.
And we have cornmeal.
Okay.
And at other times we do like bread pudding or cassava pudding, but this is what we do today.
Bread pudding or cassava
and
pudding.
cassava in addition to this, but this is what we do today. We do only do some cornmeal and some sweet potato today.
So this is show me the
cornmeal.
This is
cornmeal.
okay. Yeah. That's caramel pudding.
Yeah man, cornmeal pudding.
And then we have sweet potato.
Yeah, this is sweet potato right here.
Look at that, guys.
Yeah man.
Okay.
We do cakes as well, to like rum cake, vanilla cake,
yes,
chocolate, any kind of cake you want, carrot cake, banana cake, any kind of cake you want.
Yes.
We do that as well.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah man.
So what are you baking right now?
I bake some plain cake, some vanilla cake.
The vanilla cake.
Yeah man.
Okay. Yes.
But this is an example of what you will get if you know.
Come down to.
Yeah, if you come down to Gerry. If you actually you can these you have to order ahead of time. You can't just come pick up them now.
You have to order ahead of time.
Ahead of time.
Yes.
You know?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Look at that, guys.
And you know, like I
And
say,
we decorate however you want, whatever colors you want, whatever design we can do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Ready?
Yeah man.
Okay, so that's a dish it out.
Yeah man. You know?
Yes. Look at that. So you get what? One big one, or you just said
No,
medium size?
This will probably give me two big one. But
Yeah.
so me drop in what I need, and then afterwards we decide we want to do the rest. Because
Okay.
we also do some little small one in the little foil containers too.
Yeah.
So depending on how many we have outside here,
Yeah.
I made one of those too.
Okay.
So this is our finished product. This is just drop out about an hour ago.
Yes.
So I read this now, you know.
So guys, you see, that's the cake what you were mixing, and you put it in the oven. So now that's the final product right there.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
All right.
Yeah. All right. So right now, guys, you know, I'm gonna try this. What kind is this potato pudding?
Sweet potato, yeah.
Sweet potato pudding.
Yeah.
Look at it, guys. Try it. Nice, moist. In a dry or nothing. Yeah, man. This is how I like it. You know. Don't like it when it's too dry. It's just this perfect. Tastes real good, guys. Yep. Huh? Tastes a sweet potato.
And you can get cornmeal.
You can get cornmeal too.
You can get cassava.
And cassava.
And you can get bread every once in a while. We don't bread often, but once in a while.
Yes.
I know at that time I can mix it.
Okay. You see, guys, you can get a cassava and you can get a cornmeal pudding
And bread.
and your bread. Yes. It tastes really good, guys. Nice. You can taste all the spice and the flavor and sweet potato, you know? Look at this, guys. Look at that. See, texture, it doesn't, it's not dry. And look at it. And the flavor, nice. Alright, moving on. Wait, so this is the vanilla?
Yeah, that's the plain cake. White cake.
Alright, so
Yeah, man. So I want you to try this. So this is our rum cake, you know.
okay.
It's a rum cake, you know.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. Huh? Yeah. Yes. Look at that, guys. Nice. Moist. And you can smell the rum. Oh gosh. Tastes good, man.
Yeah, man.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
Then for all the people them who love them rum cake with them rum in it and them spice, oh gosh.
So, anybody want a birthday cake or wedding cake or anything,
Anything like that.
just call and order. See this, guys? Look at this. Look at this. Look at the cake here.
Come on, and divorce cake from one time.
You hear that? Someone ordered divorce cake from him one time already, so look at it. I'm gonna go and enjoy the cake. So see you guys back in a bit.
Look at this beautiful cake. It looks great. Tastes better inside. I've been coming here since I was a child. Now I'm getting my child's cake from them. Delicious. Big up Gerry's.
Yes.
Best rum cake in the city. No lies.
So you always get your cake from here, right?
Yes. Yep. I get this one and I also get the vanilla as well.
Yes.
Everything here tastes good. The jerk chicken soup, everything.
So you tell everyone out there who's watching,
Yes.
they have to come down here and try it.
You guys have to. It's a must. If you guys haven't came drink salsa on St Clair, come try today.
Alright.
All right.
Alright guys, so we're here with Donovan and Andrea, and they're gonna give us a little bit history about Gerry's. How Gerry's come about.
Yeah, me and my sister basically run it at the moment. I have another brother who helps out too, but him is more of a handyman and come fix anything we need fixed.
Oh.
This was started by my parents, Gerald and Donovan, hence the name Gerry's, like a short for Gerald, we call it Gerry's. Basically we started this business about 1977. My parents, and then me and Andrea kind of gradually take over. Over the years we were involved in it,
Yeah.
but maybe not to the extent that we are now. But then as they got older and God rest their souls, they've passed on, then it sort of fell onto our shoulders. So pretty much we're the face of Gerry's at the moment.
Okay. And you guys been here since
Since 77.
77?
Yeah.
Wow.
77.
And you guys don't only sell food, you guys sell like bakery stuff too, like your
Yeah,
baked
we
cake
sell,
and
we sell like we sell bulla, we sell toto, we sell vanilla cake, we sell all kind of cakes. We actually do a lot of cakes. Christmas time we sell enough cake too.
Yeah.
We do like black cake, rum cake, we do vanilla cake, plain cake, vanilla cake. We do
Pudding.
we do puddings, potato puddings, cornmeal pudding, cassava pudding, bread pudding. We do quite a wide variety of cakes we do. Like
Yes.
if you want banana cake, carrot cake,
Yes.
red velvet.
Yes. You have all different
We have all
varieties.
different kind of cake, yeah. You just need to
Okay.
place let us know ahead of time, and it's like a two-day turnaround. They'll place your order a couple days in advance,
Yes.
and we have it ready for you.
Yes.
You can get it with icing or without icing.
Okay.
The dad used to be more of a baker, and mom used to do most of the cooking.
Oh, okay.
So the cooking and the baking are basically their original recipes, but we've tweaked them a little bit,
Yes.
here and there, add and take out and go on and kind of perfect it, So we're always in a trying to up everything,
Yes. And I can see it, and it's a wonderful restaurant down. And so for all who's out there watching, what you want to tell them?
You can come down to Jersey anytime. We'll be happy to have you. We try to have the utmost quality, and try to treat everybody with the same energy that they give us,
Right.
We respect most of the time, but
Right.
sometimes,
Yes.
it's not always possible.
Yes.
But we try to do the best in terms of customer service.
That's right. And I want to ask you, what make Gerry's stand out so different from the other restaurants?
Our longevity, our consistency, and our quality.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you get some real authentic
Yeah,
food.
man, real strictly yard food again.
Real yard food.
Real yard food, man.
And customer service.
And customer service, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And most of the time we have everything on the menu too. Most places go sometimes they don't have this, they don't have that. No. Most of the time we have everything on
Everything on the menu. So you can come here and get your curry goat, you can get your oxtail.
oxtail, jerk chicken, jerk pork, fried chicken, stew chicken, curry chicken. Fish
Yes.
take a little bit longer, but you can get snapper or kingfish. But that can run you about 15-20 minutes.
Okay.
But most of the time we have everything on the menu.
Nice. You see that, guys? So right now, you know what you need to do. When you're watching this video, you need to come down by Gerry's and let them know that you watch Kelvin and friends cook up, and you have to come try the food and the cake. And trust me, him say you make bulla too, right?
Yeah, man, we make bulla, we make toto,
Yes.
We used to make gizzard to and chops, but
See there?
them very time consuming.
Yes.
But when I do make them, like them sell out, like if I have some
Fast.
customer who know some do it, and if they know some do it, they must come and buy like 15, 20 of them and it's done in no time.
Look at that,
And Jackass
guys.
can, we have a couple man with
Yeah.
Jackass can, and
Buy
then
all
if we call them all.
Yeah, but it doesn't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So but
One
we don't do
time.
them so much because they're more time consuming for me. So I do them like when I have little extra time. I say okay, let me do so and so.
Okay.
But bouillon, toto we have all the time, pudding we have all the time, cake we have all the time. Them things are constant on the menu.
All right. So, can you give them the address where we at?
Yeah man, we're at 724 St Clair Avenue West. That's
Okay.
by St Clair and in between Christian Winona.
Okay.
Yeah, on the north side there's a McDonald's here, but on the north side we're just 2 doors down from the McDonald's.
Okay.
And there's parking at the back, all kind of paid parking, green pea, everything on.
So a lot of parking. So if
Yeah,
you come
the
down
park-
here,
yeah.
you shouldn't have no problem with parking.
You might have problem with street parking because them take up a lot of the parking with them patio business.
Yes.
But that's a little tip you can
Yeah.
screech in a McDonald's. So
Okay.
it's a picture of them in their later years, you know.
Yes. So that's your mom and dad.
Yeah.
Right there. Nice. Nice. Yes. So what you have here now?
We have bulla.
You have bulla.
Ginger bulla, real ginger bulla. We have toto, rock cake. Some people call it rock cake. Basically coconut cake. Cookies.
Yes.
And then over here, so we have our famous vanilla cake.
Vanilla cake.
Strictly yard style
Yes.
cake,
Yes.
No box business,
No box business.
No. And then we have rum, It's a rum cake.
So yes guys, so if you guys don't know rum cake, this is a fruit cake.
Yeah.
And you don't know the original cake from Jamaica, how we do it every Christmas we have a rum cake, right?
That's right.
But
Yes.
we have it all year round,
All year round.
But Christmas time, you have to order early because, by about the second week of December, we have bake for catch up,
Yes.
So, you might get left out.
Wow. Man. See, and this is a bowler, guys. Real. I thought about we're bringing a yard,
And you have man buy them carry go Jamaica and all the pudding. We have a girl here.
Or this. I have to bring this for my friend when I go to Jamaica. I have to
Yeah?
bring how much back I should freeze them.
Yes.
I eat them little.
And the pudding them have a girl the other day go Jamaica. She said, but I have to carry pudding go Jamaica. You ever hear a thing like this? You have to share carry pudding
Couldn't
go Jamaica.
up here, go to Jamaica, that to show you how nice it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright guys, so right now we come to the final of the video, and I hope you guys like the video, and make sure say you go and subscribe and like and share. Yes, share and tell a friend and tell a friend. And the next thing I want you guys to come down here, down by Gerry's fast food, and check out their food, check out their cake, check out potato pudding, nice, and the rum cake, nice man. But see it, he make it from scratch.
Yeah, man.
From scratch.
Yeah, man, from scratch, man.
All right. So you have anything to tell the people out there who's watching the video?
Anytime you come down to Gerry's, man, you will enjoy your experience,
Yes.
I'll try to make it a memorable experience for you. So anytime you're ready, just come on down. And we thank you, Kelvin, for stopping by today and do this
Yes.
video.
Right.
We
Yes.
appreciate you stopping by.
Well, it's an honor to come down here and just showcase some of these wonderful restaurants. Especially people when they come down here say it's a good vibe, it's a good energy. It's not just the food alone, but just a positive vibes. So I want you guys to come down here and try the food. Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes. All right.
Thank you.
Yes, and don't forget subscribe. All right.